The Daily Activities screen can be reached from the main menu, navigating across the gray bar and clicking the Daily Activity button. The daily activities are recorded on this section of the screen. Please keep in mind that you cannot leave a date or a start and end time and category blank, or your reports will not be accurate. So you can see here that we have several records already stored from 2014 on for this individual. So when you go to create a new daily activity, you're actually creating documentation that is used for billing. So it's important that you get the dates, the times, and the categories correct. So creating a new daily activity category, click the green button at the top of the screen. It will default and highlight green the date calendar drop-down field. Please do not ever type in dates. Always use the calendar drop-down. I'm going to select that May 19th was the date that I'm selecting these activities. My start time and end times are on 15-minute intervals because that is how your administrative staff is going to bill for those hours and services. So I'm going to say that our arrival time and start time is from 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. You can set up multiple daily activities for an individual, and they can be set up by the same direct support staff or different direct support staff. So I've set 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. as a CAG activity. When I select CAG, the software automatically calculates the T code and the hours based on the time. Now I can put on my general activities or my activity drop-down which these line items are set by the administrative staff. So now I have a drop down and I'm going to state that from 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. was arrival time. The support level, my choices are verbal and physical, or no support. Kimberly's pretty self-sufficient, so no support was required. And then I'm going to select my initials, Wendy Sullivan, from the drop-down staff. Now I can lock this line item and lock that data in, or I can leave it unlocked. It just that is a agent criteria. So now if I'm going to create more data, my next daily activity is click to create a new daily activity. I have my calendar drop down. I'm going to select 5/19 again for my date. I'm going to select from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Again, my activity is CAG. And now you can see that my T code calculates that I had 8 units for billing. And in this case, I'm going to state that I was working on goal-related activities. My support level, again, the same choices, no support is needed, and select the staff member's initials from the drop-down. I'm not going to lock this data because now I'm going to move into supported employment and add a different category here. Once I'm finished as a direct support staff and I've entered the documentation that was attributable to the services I've provided, I'm going to log out of this software so that the next support staff that is attending this individual can create their own multiple daily activities.